Have you ever had that feeling that the moment you touch or hold on to a product, you already know it's good quality? That's what I feel about this electric scrubber because this is our third one. The first one that we bought, the moment we open it, it really felt flimsy. We felt that it wouldn't perform well. We didn't even try it. We just boxed it back in and returned it. The second one, though, we did try it, but it wasn't performing that well. This one, the moment I opened the box, I can already feel the quality of this, and I wasn't wrong. This is the HOTO rechargeable electric spin scrubber, and this one is a keeper. And here's a really quick unboxing just to show you what's included in the box. And here's the electric spin scrubber. This electric spin scrubber comes with 6 brush heads, and all attachments are made of ABS plastic material. A retractable pole that extends from 28-inch to 41-inch, and it's made of metal and ABS plastic material. The exterior of this electric spin scrubber is also made of ABS plastic material, and it runs on 2 adjustable speeds. It has a built-in 4000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery that can be charged using the included USB-C cable. It can run for 90 minutes at full speed and 110 minutes at low speed when it's fully charged. This electric spin scrubber is so easy to handle, and it's very effective in removing calcium buildup and soap scum on shower glass doors and walls. And with its quick detach design, switching brush heads is quick and easy. The retractable pole uses a twist design to attach and detach from the electric spin scrubber. And since it can extend up to 48-inch, there's no more need for kneeling and bending while cleaning. This pointed brush head is very effective in cleaning hard-to-reach places. This electric spin scrubber is not only for bathrooms and kitchens, but can also be used for different cleaning applications that requires scrubbing and washing. Replacements and other type of brush heads are also available at the HOTO store. It also has an IPX7 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry even if you submerge this scrubber in 3 feet of water for at least 30 minutes. That means you can use this scrubber to clean your aquarium. So guys, this is the HOTO rechargeable electric spin scrubber. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.